Hi everyone. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of square root of xy, where square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 13 and square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 17. We know AB is equal to a plus b over 2 whole square minus a minus b over 2 whole square. Now consider a is equal to square root of x and b is equal to square root of y. So from here we can write a is equal to square root of x. So square root of x times b is equal to square root of y. So square root of y is equal to a plus b means square root of x plus square root of y over 2 whole square minus square root of x minus square root of y over 2 whole square, or square root of x times square root of y is square root of xy is equal to the value of square root of x plus square root of y is 17. So substituting this value here, we can write 17 over this 2 whole square minus value of square root of x minus square root of y is 13. So substituting this value here, we can write 13 over 2 whole square is equal to this 17 square over 2 square minus 13 square over 2 square is equal to 17 square over 2 square is 4 minus this 13 square over 2 square is 4 is equal to this 4 and 17 square minus 13 square is equal to, applying formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. We can write it as 17 plus 13 times 17 minus 13 over this 4 is equal to 17 plus 13 is 30 times 17 minus 13 is 4 over this 4 is equal to, this 4 and 4 will cancel out, so it will remain 30. So the value of square root of xy is equal to 30. So this is the solution of this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.